In this video, we're going to cover how to install your pixel on your Unbounce landing pages. So we're going to start in Ampry. Again, you're going to come to the Install Pixel tab and click on that. It'll take you to this page here where you can go ahead and copy your pixel tag. You're going to navigate to your Unbounce page. And what we're going to come is, once you've logged into your account, we're going to go to the settings and we're going to go into the script manager. And if you've done this, you'll have your different scripts, but what we want to do is add a script. The script we're going to add is going to be a custom script. We're going to go ahead and name it Ampry code. Click on the add details. Placement, we want to put this in the header, and you can choose to include this on the main landing page, all these different things. You can click on all if you want. You'll have all of your different sites, subdomains, everything here. So if you want to add it to everything, you're going to select there, and you'll see on this specific one, it's adding it to all 42 pages and the 4 domains we have here. You're going to go ahead and paste your tag right there. And you're going to save and publish script, and then it will show up on your list of scripts. Once that's done, the other thing that I'll show you how to do in this video is if you're going to add the Ampry script to just individual pages, you can go into your pages and you can go ahead and add it there as well. So what we'll do is we'll navigate to the Pages tab. You're going to select the page that you want to add this to. Let's go in and edit the page. And then down here at the bottom, you'll see the JavaScripts. We're going to add a new JavaScript. Go ahead and give it a name. We're going to say where we're going to place it again. We want it in the header. I'm going to go ahead and paste the tag there. And you're going to click done. And you'll have that tag as well on the individual pages that you want on your different pages. That's it. Thanks for watching.